So today we're going to go over this assignment on the nominative case for nouns. And let's just jump right in here. All right, we did numbers 1 and 2 together in class, but let's just recap. So the A ending is used in Latin when a noun is the subject of a sentence, and a subject, by definition, is the noun that performs the verb or action. All right, every sentence has a verb, and the noun that's performing that verb is what's called the subject. So number 1, the sailor is the subject, and the verb is weedet, and that's he, she, it sees, but the sailor is the he, so the sailor sees me. Me almost always just translates as me. Number 2 introduces the nominative plural. So if a noun is plural, just like in English we put an S on the end, Latin for this type of noun, this is called a first declension noun, we'll do an AE. So it's not going to sound right, but the poets terrify me. Okay, so the verb ends in they because the subject is plural. They terrify me. The poets terrify me. Okay, number 3, tua forma magna. All these words end in a. Tua and magna are adjectives, so they agree with the noun forma. They have the same ending. So your forma can mean beauty. Let's go with that. Your beauty is great. All right. Number 4, porta. That is a gate. So the gate is old or ancient. Est means is in Latin. Okay, number 5, the first 2 words end in AE. So it's a good strategy sometimes in Latin. If you can see that 2 words definitely go together, to bracket them off like that. And you can kind of visualize the sentence a little bit better. So my girls love me. All right, got the they ending, so that matches up with the plural subject. Okay, number 6, plural subject, the sailors. And then this is how we say goodbye in Latin, but it's also the verb to be strong. So the sailors are strong. Number 7 starts with sailors as well. The sailors, your verb is video, so the verb to see, the sailors see nothing. Number 8 actually had a typo. It's supposed to be mia puella. I think a lot of you figured that out, but my girl, often you can fit in wherever. My girl, sorry, the A ending would mean it's singular, so my girl often warns me. All right, it's the verb to warn. It's got the he, she, it ending. All right, then going into Latin, a little bit trickier. So sailor, it's more than one. So we're going to go ahead and put that AE ending on the word. The sailors protect me. So servo, the verb to protect, it's an ARE verb, so we're going to use an A, and then we're going to put the they ending on it. They protect, and then me is me. Number 10, the old poet thinks. So antiqua is the word for old. Poeta. I saw it auto-corrected for a lot of you, but it actually is a Q. All right, and now, so the verb to think, we have a singular subject, so we want to use the he, she, it form of the verb, and it's an ARE verb, and it looks like that. Antiqua poeta cogitat. Okay, so we're just scratching the surface with, how nouns and verbs interact, and hopefully you guys followed that lesson. There'll be a couple more at the end of the video for you to do. All right. Walite, thanks for watching.